Let's read more words. Words ending in OW sound. OW says O, O, O. Low, low, low. Mow, mow, mow. Row, row, row. Snow, snow, snow. Blow, blow, blow. Crow, crow, crow. Flow, flow, flow.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.